Okay, so today's topic is a one-shot thing only, okay, one example. But before we do that, I want you to take your... Chris, what's up today, man? Getting ready for 420? Okay, I want you to take your summary sheet out of your wherever you have it. If you have it, should I say. And find me the definition of average value of a function. Yep, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Average value of a function. Yes, Stephanie.
F of c equals 1 over b minus a interval sign. So lower a, upper b, and then f of x dx.
Thank you. Okay, that's the definition. Now let's just kind of quickly review what that's all about, okay? So what you're doing is you've got a function. It looks like that. Okay? And if you want to find the area of the function from the point A to B, you know that area is just equal to the integral. Okay? So that's the area underneath the curve. Okay? The average value of a function is some value f of c. So in other words, this is f of c, such that the area underneath the rectangle is equal to the area underneath the curve. Okay, that's the definition of an average value of a function. So pictorially, that's what it means. Mathematically, it's a question of working on this equation. You guys with me on that? Okay, so I want to find the average value of fx, given that fx. So I'm going to plug that formula that Stephanie just recited out. So f of c is going to be integral of, so it'll be 1 over b minus a. So what's a first? What's a? 2. What's b? 4. What's b minus a? 2. Integral from 2 to 4 of 4x plus 1 over x squared dx. Okay? And I'm going to pull the 4 out, so I get 4 over 2, 2 to 4, x plus 1 over x squared dx. Okay, you should be able to chug this one now, okay? You should be able to chug this. Jal, you chugging on math, or you chugging on a big hamburger there, or chapati or paratha and pickle? Paratha and pickle? No? Ooh, why not? What do you have? God, that's very desi of you. Okay. Okay, who's going to chug on this? Nidya, you're going to chug on this? You're going to do it. Come on, Nidya. Getting ready for Europe. Ha! 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 Like I don't know. Like I don't know. Oh my God. I wouldn't want to chaperone that group, honestly. You'd have to escort me out, basically. Okay, go. Anybody want to help her out? Sorry? You got to do something before you integrate. No. Bad choice. Yes. How many times have you seen this in the last 2 days?
I lost count.
So did I. Did everybody get this? Okay. So this is going to be 2 from 2 to 4 x over x squared plus 1 over x squared dx. This is about the 4th time that we're seeing this trick. Okay, just in the last 3 days. Last 4 days. So you know that this is equal to 2 from 2 to 4, 1 over x, x to the negative 2 dx. Now you should be able to check this, okay? You know all the rules how to do this now, okay? So I'm going to pause here for a minute and let you check on this. Okay, you've got all the rules on this.
Is that x to the negative 2?
Yes. We're going to use the power rule there. Jal, are you working on math there or are you doing anatomy?
I'm doing
What if I give you a surprise math quiz? Then what will happen to you?
Don't do that. You don't do that.
No, this is just for Jal.
Ooh, do it.
Yeah, because she's always on the freaking computer while I'm trying to teach math.
It's so.
It hurts.
Oh,
I tried stuff.
Got it? Simple. So you think so. 1 over x. 1 over x. Integral 1 over x, people. ln x? Yeah? So ln absolute value of x, is everybody there? Yes? Integral of x to the minus 2.
Negative 2 ln.
Sorry? Do you mind if I write it like this, Henry? Okay. Using the power rule. Okay, remember you increase the exponent by 1, divide by the new number. So you increase negative 2 by 1, gives you a negative 1, you divide by negative 1. Okay? And x to the minus 1 is 1 over x. And then you're going to just plug in your numbers. So you get ln 4 minus a quarter and minus ln 2 minus a half. And can you guys go put this in your calculator and come up with a number and store it away? And then I want you to do something beyond that, okay? So once you get that number, raise your hand so you can continue. So I want you to put this equation in your graphing calculator in y1, okay? So this is going to be in y1. And then in y2, you will put whatever answer you got out of here. Okay? So this one here should be a straight line. Okay? Horizontal line, because that's just a number. Okay? That's just a number. Make your windows so that x min is equal to 2, x max is equal to 4. Okay? And graph that. Your graph should look something like this, okay? Something like that, okay? Right? The red line and the black line. Okay? Sorry? Something like that. What? Oh, sorry. Okay, something like that. And now what I want you to do is I want you to find the area underneath the red curve. You guys know how to do that? Okay, so this is 2, this is 4. Okay, you guys know how to do that? Finding the area underneath the curve? Yeah? And then you'll do the same thing for the black curve. Okay? And tell me what you see. Okay, so when you've got two windows up there, and if you want to find the area underneath one curve only, you go to disable graphing the other curve. You guys know how to disable that, right? Exactly. You take the cursor over to the equal sign, you hit the enter button, unhighlight it so it doesn't graph. Okay? Got it, Laura? What's going on? Yeah. Okay, so that's your answer for the area underneath the curve. Now you've got both curves graphed in here, so what you have to do is go back, undo this one. Okay? So I should have recorded that number before then. Do you remember the number that was there? Okay, so you need to redo that. The area should not, sorry? Yes. And then under the rectangle, it should be the same thing. Okay?